Okay, so we're back, and today I'm making collard greens with pigtail, slightly different from the smoked turkey or smoked pork ock that it's normally made with. So here I have my collard green that's already cut up. I tried to get rid of most of the stems from it, and this is just one bundle of collard green, but when it's cooked it'll be like half the size. So we're gonna go ahead and wash this properly. We wanna make sure that it's washed properly because those leaves can be really dirty and have bugs and muds and all that good stuff on there. So you wanna make sure that you wash it properly to get rid of as much of the dirt as possible. Then I'm gonna go ahead and drain it in this sink strainer or whatever this thing is called, just so the water can run free and we can get out as much of the dirt as possible. And I'm going to give it just a second wash with the water through the strainer. So you want to make sure it's really clean because don't nobody want to be eating dirty vegetables. And here I have my pig's tail. I'm going to boil this for like 2 times to get rid of most of the salt. We don't want to get rid of all of the salt because we need it to flavor the collard greens. I won't be using any salt in here. So we're just gonna sear this in the Instapot, and I'm making it in the Instapot because I don't have a whole hour to cook collard green because collard green is really tough. So I'm gonna be cooking this in the Instant Pot today. It's about 15 minutes. So we're gonna sear that and add in our onions and some Scotch bonnet pepper, and we're gonna saute that for a few minutes. Okay, so we're going to add our collard greens in here, and you're gonna have to push that baby down because it's a lot. Then I'm adding in some garlic here because I forgot to put it in with the onions and the pepper, so you can put it in at the beginning. Then I'm adding about a cup or two of water here. And this has been sauteing for like a couple minutes, so it's shrink down a little so I can put the rest of my collard greens in, because you might not be able to fit all of it in there at the beginning stage, but just let it simmer or saute for a couple minutes and you should be able to put the rest in. Then we're going to seal this baby, and we're just gonna put it on the pressure setting for 15 minutes and it'll be done. All right, it's been 15 minutes and our collard green is cooked. Our meat is tender and ready to be served in 15 minutes. Okay, and this can be served with your favorite meats or whatever. Please like, subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you guys.